Hello everyone, welcome back to Arvind Text. I'm Arvind, your instructor for this session. In today's session, that is in session 4, we will be starting some basic use of string or text functions which are mainly used in our day-to-day life while working with Excel professionally. These are the functions which we are going to cover today. If you are a new member, a very warm welcome to you. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get the future videos. Let's start with our first text function, that is trim. This is very useful function. This function allows us to remove extra spaces. As in the first example, you can see there are some extra spaces between words. Apply this function as usual, that is equal to trim and select the text argument. As you can see in the output, the extra spaces has been removed. Likewise, in the second and third example, it is related to leading and trailing spaces. We can use trim function to get rid of those. You can see on the screen, I'm copying the formula below. After using the trim function, leading space, that is starting space, and trailing space, that is ending space, has been removed. The next function which we are going to see is concatenate. This function allows us to concatenate multiple values together. We can join the multiple text. Let's check it out. The concatenate function takes one or more argument and that are the text values we will be joining together into one. As we can see on the screen, we will be combining first name and the last name as it directly joins the two words. We will take a space in other cell and apply, and now we will be getting in proper format. Another way to concatenate is using ampersand sign. The syntax is very simple. You have to put just is equal to, select the text, and if you want a space in between, just add double quote, space, and the last name. In this way also we can join two texts. If you want to add additionally other text, add just add ampersand sign in the text. The next function which we will be looking is text function. Text function allows us to convert number values into text values. We can apply special formatting to those as well. Here we can see in example there are some custom formats. The first one is date format. In the second example, we will be deriving day from the date. And in the third one, the month. If we need it in short format, we have to minimize the characters. For example, just type MMM 3 times. Likewise, you can also use the percent and the number format. In reporting perspective, it is very useful function. The next function is the left function. Left function is going to allow us to get leftmost characters from the text. Let's check it out. We need to give two arguments. First, the text and the number of characters. And if you do not give it, it will be by default calculate as 1. Here in example, you can give manually or you can refer a cell for the number of character argument. As we can see, we can get leftmost characters from the text. Below are some examples. The next function which we are practicing is right function. Right function is as similar as left function, wherein in right function it allows us to extract rightmost characters from the text string. Let's see in the examples, we will be able to extract rightmost values from given text. That is last name, last two digit of the phone numbers, and the last four characters from the date. The date is in text format. The next function which we will be studying is mid function. Mid function is used to extract characters from the middle of the text strings, given in a starting position and length. Mid function has three arguments, that is text, start number, and the number of characters. By using mid, we will be extracting middle characters like we want. Now we will be practicing the examples of mid function as you can see the results. Now, the most commonly used function to change the case are the lower function, upper function, and the proper function. These are all change case functions. Lower function allows us to convert into lower case, and upper function to uppercase and proper to proper case. Despite of having mixed characters, as you can see on the screen, all the change case functions takes only one argument. In proper function, you will get first character as capital of the word. In coming session, we will be practicing real-time based scenarios of string or text functions. We have covered all the topics from the agenda today. Let me know if you have any queries. We will be happy to answer them. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get the future videos. And hit the thumbs up if you really like the video. Till then, I'll take your leave. Keep learning, keep growing with Arvin Tex. Bye bye.